Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to send messages via Google Assistant. Firstly, enter Google app. Tap button in the right corner, go to settings, enter Google Assistant, enter voice match and make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply say, "Hey Google, send message to Lily."
Okay, what's the message?
"Hey, how are you?"
Sending your message saying, "Hey, how are you?"
You can also activate Google Assistant by clicking on this button right here. Just look. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.